Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Defender door handle. First, gather all your necessary tools. You will need a set of screwdrivers, both Phillips and flathead, along with some plastic trim removal tools to prevent scratching. Also, have a clean cloth ready to protect surfaces and a small container to keep track of any screws or clips you remove. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Next, we'll focus on the interior. Gently pry off any trim pieces around the door handle and window switches using your plastic tools. Look for and remove all visible screws securing the door panel. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the panel and disconnect any electrical connectors for switches or lights before fully removing it. Now, let's get to the handle itself. With the interior panel removed, you should have access to the handle's mounting points. Locate and remove the specific screws or bolts that secure the handle assembly to the door frame. Once these fasteners are out, gently pull the handle away. Be sure to disconnect any linkage rods or cables that operate the latch mechanism. Finally, inspect the handle and the door cavity for any wear or damage. When you're ready to reassemble, simply reverse the steps we've covered. Reconnect all cables and electrical connectors, secure the handle, and then reattach the interior door panel and trim. Always test the door handle's operation thoroughly before closing everything up completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.